Hi, this is Dylan. I produce under the name Royalston, and I've got 10 minutes to produce a little bit more of this track. So I'm going to give it a shot now. Here we go. Let's put it there. All right, I've had a listen to the track, and I think it needs to go somewhere in the end. Quite like this arpeggio that comes in at the end. Where is it? This bit. Somewhere here. I think we could do something new in this spot maybe. And it feels like the track wants to drop at some point. So I might keep that going another 4 bars. Where is it? So drop there maybe. Might make the bass a little bit heavier. Where is it? Okay. Let's get a bit jungly. Do like a hard cut there so you get a bit of drama. Okay, maybe some extra hits here. Maybe like that. Okay. I'm thinking maybe like switching the drums here a bit because we've heard them the whole time. Trying to go fast is really hard. Maybe another break. Probably a think break just to go classic. And maybe that. Maybe reverse this. Okay, so something like that. That's a good 4-bar loop. We can have a couple of them. Let's hear that again. Kind of want it to get more intense right before that drop. I'm going to fade that in. Some overdrive. Let's get a bit of movement in the bass as well. Maybe try that. So a bit of volume automation. I'm going to put this in at random places. Yeah, that's nice. All right. Get erosion on the bass as well, maybe make it a bit crustier. I'm going to make this change speed at some point. I don't actually know where these bass hits are. Okay, so that one probably ends before then. It's only an 808 length. Oh, what about that? Yeah. 3 minutes. Alright, so I might get a bit of this arpeggio before I put the overdrive on it, see what I can do with it. I don't know how this will go. It could be a terrible idea. I might also get one at a slower speed of the arpeggio. And then I'll put this back on and then dial it back. Oh, I was ramping up the dynamics, not the dry wet. Whoops. Okay. Well, that's good to know. Let's try these out. On this one, I'm going to move the hit off the one. Maybe let's add some more hits. Just make them boom, boom, boom. Maybe something like that. Try it. Pitching is maybe. Terrible. Kind of like that leading little thing, kind of leading in. Okay, what else? What's some other parts? I don't think I've got very long. Oh, we could get that in there. Oop. Alright, get out of that mode. This is really hard. Okay, try some of that. Let's do some repitching. Just do some little cuts on the bass. That's something I can do for 2 minutes. Maybe we can flip that around and reverse it as well. Ah, that's it. There's my little bell. All right. Okay, so that was my 10-minute attempt to make a little bit more on this track. Thanks a lot.